I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money via PayPal internationally. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Once you're in, simply navigate to the Send and Request tab. From there, you'll choose whether you're sending money to friends or family, or paying for goods or services. This initial step is crucial for setting up your international transfer smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you pick the correct transaction type. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Double-check this information to avoid any delays. Then, specify the exact amount you wish to send. It's important to select the correct currency for the transaction, as this will impact the exchange rate. PayPal supports over 100 currencies, making it versatile for global transfers. Take your time here to ensure all details are precise. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review all the transaction details. This includes the recipient, the amount, and the chosen currency. Pay close attention to the exchange rate and any fees that PayPal applies. For international personal payments, fees can typically range from 2 to 5% of the transaction amount, plus a small fixed fee, which varies by currency. Transparency here helps you understand the total cost. Finally, confirm the payment to initiate the international transfer. Once confirmed, the recipient will receive an email notification letting them know the funds are on their way. You can easily track the status of your payment in your PayPal activity history, providing peace of mind. The entire process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to send money across borders with just a few clicks, typically completing within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.